Yep. So that's on it already. Yep. I knew that shit. Second one. Come on, baby. Yeah. Barely got him on there. I don't know if I can flip him. You ready?
That's a nice fish.
Second one today.
Alright.
Yeah.
That's a good size one. Wow.
Woo! I know I'm trying to learn.
Beauty.
I'm trying to learn where the keepers are so I can get me one.
Bigger, bigger, and bigger.
Woo!
Oh man.
Wow, very good. All right, man. Nice
What a
going.
beauty.
Thank you, thank you.
Have a good night.
Thank you. So, got my second one. Let's see what he is. Okay, this one. I know I'm doing with the tail first, whatever. He is 22 inches. We gained 1.5 inches, guys. Look at that yellow fin.
Beautiful.
Yes, he is. Beautiful, guys. Snook season coming next month. Let's get ready to use some snook here next month, guys. Put that practice on. Alright. Just so y'all know that to say snook. Let's go. Just don't worry. The fucking GoPro overheated, but you guys see him. I'll zoom in. He's swimming, guys. Fuck. Sorry for cussing, but you know how guys get freaking GoPro get. Ah, see if we can get a third one today. Number 2.
All right, number 2. Got it.
Letting him chill out.
But he's so pretty.
Come on your side. You got one, baby.
What is Snooky?
All right, boys.
Oh my
You
goodness.
got it, Sean.
Got one. Oh, I'm so pretty.
Y'all know I'm gonna do the lipping now. Chill out. Let me get the hook out. We have a 20.5 inch snooky here, boys. Y'all seen that on the live shrimp on the full moon. It works every time. He has a weird little boo-boo, or we'll get a close up on that. Yeah. All right, guys, we got us a 20.5 inch snook here. Look at that bucket mouth. Oh, he trying to chomp me. Got him on that circle hook. 2L. Live shrimp. Yeah, buddy. All right, let's let this boy go. Let's let him go.
Oh yeah.
We'll give him a nice little launch. Just had one, guys. Got him.
Wow. Number what?
3. I don't think it's the keeper, but we got number 3. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. He's a baby. Yeah. Oh my God. Shit. Oh my God, it's a gag. It's a gag.
Oh my gosh! No! Oh, why'd you smack him so hard?
Woo! Oh my God.
Oh,
First ever gag.
oh, he's beautiful.
I don't think he's
No way.
keeper.
Oh, he's got blue on that one fin.
Yeah. Awesome. Alright guys, one day before the season starts, got us a gag. What's up? On a live shrimp. See how big he is? Probably 15, definitely way short. I think it'd be like 24 or something. Yeah, 24 inches back too. But he is 14 and a half. Woo-wee. Oh yeah, yeah. Little teeth.
Pretty. So healthy, so chunky.
He'd make a good grouper sandwich.
Precious, beautiful. Those colors are amazing. All right. Oh, I don't want to drop your phone here.
Not the bait caster. Look how much moss is coming out of nowhere. Yep, first cast with the bait caster. Oh, you motherfucker. He a feisty. I know he ain't big enough. Give me the hook, guys. Thank you. Thank you for the catch, buddy. About 6-7 inches. Probably 8. Is that a snook? A trout, big boy trout. Flip him, flip him.
How long does he have to be?
I think 15, we have to check that ruler. He looks about right. Multi-species. Yeah, hopefully he's a keeper because you gutted him. He swallowed it. You felt that little thump like them trout. No, don't put him on the dirt. Try. Oh yeah. Never mind. Here. Put him on here. We don't want him too dirty. Wow, Mom.
Woo, that's a nice, pretty sized one, I think.
16 and a half inches. Woo-wee! Good job, bro. Y'all see that? Hey, Ma, got a snapper. All right, guys. Number one, looks like a keepy. Number one. Yep, should be keeper. Exactly 10. We're gonna keep him, guys. Sure am. It's hot outside. All right, guys. Could try something new here that I got. Come here. Got him. Ooh, 10 inches, baby. More deeper, like my mom said earlier. She was telling me, like, you know, when it really gets hotter like that, those fish like to go deeper, you know. Shallow water heats up quick. Kind of like a bathtub with barely like any water. It'll get hot quick, or a hot tub or something to that effect. Compared to like a chilly environment. You know what I mean? Look at the other snapper going after him. Yeah, not a keeper though. I don't know how big he is, but fun size. You have kind of a lighter weight, so you gotta let it. So what a flounder. I haven't had one of these in forever. Just get him off, he's a baby. Oh my God. I'm gonna let him go. We are at my little secret spot.
What are we looking for?
Come on with the shrimp per usual. Y'all know Sean with the shrimp. Okay guys, try it. So I do have fish gum too. But for the first cast, we're gonna do no fish gum. Medium cast, nothing crazy. Come on. So nice too. Doing some head shakes. Is it a redfish? You pull a drag too. What we got pulling some drag here? Redfish. Redfish. We got a redfish. Yeah.
It's a whiting, everybody. It's one of those pale redfishes. My
Oh,
God,
yeah.
is he pale. 2 dots.
Look at that blueness
A
on
little bit
that
of blue.
tail.
Look at that.
Wow. Whoa, whoa. $16.5-inch red, guys. Ooh, yeah. 16.5-inch red. That color on him is delightful. I know, right? Let's let him get his breath back. Woo! Alright, family. Come on, go. Get back up. He's gone. Alright, drag. Pull. Pull him up. Pull him up. Pull him up.
Oh shit, feels like it's gonna snap. Are you recording?
Yeah, pull. Pull.
Nah.
Yeah. Not big. Put him up on it. Dang
No.
it.
Oh my god, that dude was so fucking strong. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Broke the rod,
Hammer.
guy.
Isn't that? No,
I think that's
a shovel head.
Hold
Right?
on. Let's tell the difference here. Oh.
Oh, my arms, dude. That was scary. It broke my pole.
You can keep on the head with no
Fucker broke my pole.
with no minimum size. You gotta cook them now.
Yeah, this bitch broke my pole, bro. Oh my god.
Wow,
You
Mom.
have gloves. Do you have, cause, ooh!
I got gloves.
Aww.
My first shot kid gonna do. No, he's not. He's pretty big.
Really?
Well, not super big, but. So you gotta hurry up to bleed him because shark. If you want to eat a shark, you gotta bleed him. okay, guys. I learned with the shark, you gotta bleed them out quick. So that's what we're gonna do. Calm down. Calm down. I need to hold him now. If you could put your foot on the too.
And record.
You don't gotta just worry about the foot on the tip. No, they don't really got no bones there like that.
Usually you have a sharp, very sharp knife. Yeah, and most of that.
Yeah.
I know, it's like plastic, huh?
I kind of like rubber.
That's almost like snake.
Oh.
He's just finished.
Are you located in one of these states? If so, we decided to introduce a new app that's changed the trout angling game. Trout Routes was designed by anglers for anglers.